1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to log in. So not now. So this is student account I've created. It's still pending for approval. So the admin has to approve me. The admin has to approve me. Get it up. You need to follow all the instructions and the requirements on how to install this. So let's get straight to download the source code. Just click here. So you click on download. So let's check. If it is downloaded, you just minimize, then you copy the downloaded file, then note you need to unzip the file to run it, to extract it. Okay, but select it here, then the program. Okay, did it. So it goes. Let me just open it. Then you open the readme instruction. First of all, you need to install all the requirements. Here are the requirements: Flask, pillow, python-barcode, and QQL code. But first, you need to create. The first thing you need to do as part of the requirements, you need to create your virtual environment. The site will not install the requirement to complete with your Python previous library on the system. So let's create a virtual environment, and to load the program, click on this dashboard, then type cmd, then you click enter. So then it opens the command prompt, then go straight. First of all, let's create VM. Copy this instruction to create a VM, paste close to it. It will create a virtual environment for you on your code. So it's done creating the virtual environment. You can see it's done creating the virtual environment. You can see if you check your folder, you see something like VM. So now we will need to go. Let me close this one. Now we need to go and activate the VM. So to activate it, you just copy this command. See, then go to your this and click this. So it will show this, which show as VM, which is with the VM activated. Now we need to install the requirements. So here the instruction. Now pipe install all the requirements. Just click on and hold on. So it will install. You can see it will. So it's done. Downloading everything. It's wanting me pipe. However, you run on passion. This thing. So you can start to update the pipe if you want, but let's run our program. Then click on so if all is installed, it will write a server for you. If all is doing well, it will write a server. So the server has been opened, which it is running on. So all you have to do is just to copy it, then go to your browser. Let's open up the browser. You just type in the address. Hit enter. So you can see the program is running effectively. So you have an admin login. Then we'll have the students. So let's go straight to create register students. So let's say register students. Alex. So male, date of birth, select any date or anyone. They was for demonstrate. Now select anyone. Then blog group, let's say poverty. Okay. Then course of study, let's say robotics. Then extension number, let's say maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 courses. Then level ND, HND. Then email address, it can be any name. So it's okay. alex@gmail.com. Then password, anyone, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then signature, this is one of the most critical part of the program. You can actually sign here if you want. You can sign the signature, and you can browse and upload. You have a snap signature. You can upload it. You can upload that to work. But today I'm going to use this sign one. Then you can take camera. You can use the camera to take pictures of yourself directly from the camera, and you can also upload your picture if you want. Then let's see, live picture. So you can use the live camera if you want, and you can also. But currently I'm using the camera now. I'm not able to use the camera here. But when you click on this place, the camera will active here. Then you can now create account. So after creating an account, so this is the email and the password I've created. So I'm gonna copy the email here. The password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click login. So not now. So this is. So as I was saying, now that the student account has been created, as a student you can edit your profile. You can upload signature. Then admin to approve you, and before you can print your ID card. So you can print your ID card now. But apparently now, this print count stands for the amount of time you have printed the ID card. So if you print once time, you show one. If you print twice, you show twice. Now, before admin will approve you, you need to upload your school fees receipt or the matter field fees receipt to show that you paid the school fees before you can get approved. So you can use the camera to snap your school fees receipt, which is working, or you can upload your school fees receipt. So you just upload it. So let's assume just for demo sake, this is your school fees receipt. Then we upload. We can open. So we can open, then upload receipt. Now, so if you want to go to admin now, so you go back and copy your server code. So your server code here. Then you go to another browser. Yeah, I'm using Firefox. You go to maybe another browser to avoid glitch of cookies. Then open the new tab, then paste it, and you now click on admin login. Now we have super admin login. This super admin login you can use to log into the account, and super admin login. So I just copy and paste, then click login. So you have login now. So you can So you can add students from here. You can add students from this place. If you want to add students, you can add students. You can back it. Admin. You can add another admin if you want another admin. Then you can export student record. You click on export, you download. You can see I've downloaded the student record. Then this is students that I have already registered, and this is the first. This is the new student registered ID. So let's see the receipt that I uploaded. You see that was receipt uploaded. So since you have seen the receipt, so that means you can approve. And I have approved now. So I can decide to lock the student information. Now since it's approved now, let's go back to student section. You see pending, and then you see it's still pending. So let's refresh the browser. You can see now it's showing approved now. You can see it's showing approved. So now you can now print your ID. You click OK. So the ID is downloaded. So your ID is downloaded on something. So since it's already downloaded, let's go and let's copy it to the desktop and see how it looks like. So I just close everything. Okay. Okay, this is the ID. It's opening. So perfect. Which means the system is working perfectly. So now let's confirm this ID barcode if it is actually working perfectly. So I confirm the ID barcode is working perfectly. So let's go screenshot. No. Download the barcode. Now let's get to online. Yes, this is online. Online barcode. Okay, that's fine. Go for online barcode scanner. This is just to confirm if our barcode is working. So click on upload. Let's upload. You can see. So it means it's perfectly working. You see now. Registration number 356. Alex Raji, course level, and date of birth. So it means the system is working perfectly fine. So the student barcode system is working perfectly. It's working perfectly fine. This is how the program works. So if you want to run the program again, it's going to follow the same process again. It's going to follow the same process that I've showed you. Thank you so much. Like a comment. Tell me if there's anything I need to improve on the program. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube account.